Okay guys, welcome to my new video how to get free traffic to your Clickbank affiliate link for free. With this video guys, I will show you one of my best free solo ad traffic. I will show you exactly how to choose your product, what product to choose, and how to get real solo ad traffic for free daily. Very important to get real traffic to your affiliate link. And I will show you exactly the best free solo ad traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Very important to do this method daily and to get this free traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so let's start. If you already have an affiliate with the Clickbank, all you have to do is go to affiliate marketplace and you will get some product here. There is unlimited product, fantastic product that you can promote using from Clickbank. Very important to choose a good product to promote. I will recommend to you to use solo ad traffic. You don't have to go to this list. You can type your niche in the search. You can see here solo ads. Solo ads, it's one of the best niche to promote, and I will show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so go and type here in the search solo ads and make search, and you will get a different product that you can use to promote. Okay, you can see there is unlimited. You can click here gravity and you will get fantastic product here. Okay, now you can see there is let's open some of this product. You can see this product, for example. This is a fantastic product, solo ad traffic, and for every commission, for every sell, you will get a 16.76 cent. This is a fantastic, I think. Let's visit. You can see here affiliate earn 50%. Let's visit, and you can see here's banners that you can use to promote your affiliate link, and also you can see email that you can send to your friend or your list so you can get traffic. Okay, so basically we will use this product and I will show you how exactly to promote. Okay, so let's keep this page opened, and now I will show you what traffic you can use to promote your affiliate link and get free traffic daily. For this video guys, I will use US largest safe list. This is one of the best free solo ads traffic. Okay, you can see you can advertise your banner here. Okay, remember you have here banners, so you can promote your banner using this website. All you have to do is first let's log in. Okay, Okay, pass this and go here. Okay, this is the page. Okay, so your banner, you can go here to banner ads rotator. You can see I have a lot of banners here. You can see a lot of impression, a lot of clicks and visitors. Okay, okay, so you can advertise your banner here. If you don't have a credit, also you can purchase a credit, but you don't have to purchase a credit. I will show you how to get free traffic. You can see you can get 250,000 credit, only $20. Okay. You don't have to purchase. You can purchase if you want, but I will show you how to get free traffic. Okay, so how to use this website, you can see here credit mailer. Okay, so let's click credit mailer and you will get this inbox, and you can see here you can put here your link, your affiliate link. I have some credit here, over 10,000 credit. Okay, this is fantastic. Okay, so let's back to our product. So this is our product. You can see this is the subject. So let's copy the subject and back to US largest safe list. And all you have to do is put your subject, your title here. Okay. And let's back to our product and let's copy all this text and put here. Okay. And we need the our affiliate link, so let's go and make our affiliate link. Okay, so this is our product. Let's click promote and create. Sorry, okay, I have to log in. I can make like this and create, and this is my affiliate link. All I have to do is copy. Okay, copy, Control C, and let's back to the Trafic and put affiliate link here. And also you can see, click here for more info. This is our text, so all you have to do is put your link also here. Okay, so now we have our title, our text, and our affiliate link here. Okay, and I have here, like you see, some credit here, so all you have to do is put in the inbox. That's all you have to do, and then click send. Okay, your subject context word is not that you can be used. Okay, this don't accept solo ad a word. Okay, so all you have to do, you can make something like this. Okay, solo ad. Okay, let's try again. Fantastic. Okay, so now this work mailing in progress, and we will notify you when it will be finished. Okay, so fantastic. Our solo ads, it's sent, already sent. So this is how to use a solo ad. Let's back to our credit mailer. Now you can see I don't have a credit. Now I will show you how to earn credit. Okay, so like you see, I have a 0 credit. This website, you can earn unlimited credit daily, and all you have to do is do a little work. Okay, so this website will send you, you will get and receive daily mails from this website. So all you have to do is open these mails and you will earn credit here. So for this example, I will go to my another Gmail account and I will show you all the mails that I am getting from US largest safe list. Okay, so like you see, this is my mail that I already sent, I think. Let's see. Yes, this is my last mail that I already sent. And of course, I also get this email. I will delete this email and I will open another email so I can get credit. Okay, you can see, click here to earn credit. Okay, you can see, okay, I get 130 credit, fantastic, and then I will close it. Okay, let's delete this email and let's visit another email. Okay, for example, okay, click here this link to earn credit. Okay, let's visit. So like you see, you can promote everything using this website. You can see here this guy, for example, promoting his landing page. Okay, like you see, I get 130 credit. Okay. Okay, so I think you get the point. You will receive emails from this website, and all you have to do is open these emails and uh, another offers to get credit, and you will get credit. Let's back to our website Trafic. So like you see, I have here 0. Let's refresh credit mailer, and now I have 260 credit. Okay, so basically this is the method. This is how you can get unlimited free solo ads traffic to your Clickbank affiliate link or to any affiliate link or affiliate program. You can use this website to send free solo ads. Also, you can promote your banner using this website. You can go to banners and ads rotator and you can promote your link. Also, if you want easy work and you don't have time to open these emails, you can go to purchase credit. This is a fantastic way to get traffic without working. It's only $20. You can see you will get here 250,000 credit. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. If you need any help and have any question, please type your comment below this video. Thank you again for watching this video and have a good day. Thank you very much.